Get a lot of unwanted catalogs over the holidays. Junk mail is not just annoying. Those credit applications and even checks you might get in the mail could mean trouble in the wrong hands. Tonight, Joe lets you know how to stop the junk.
This is the ABC 15 mailroom. I even get junk mail here. Every year I say I'm going to try to get it to stop. This year I'm doing something about it, and you can too. Try the Direct Marketing Association. Many of the offenders, companies, are members. You can stop credit offers, catalogs, magazine offers, donation requests, retail promotions, bank offers, and others. You choose what you want to receive. Not sure why there's a $2 charge. It means you have to give them a credit card number too. Catalogs are one thing, but what about those credit offers, some that even send blank checks? That's a problem if someone gets your mail. Now, you can limit or stop pre-approved offers through optoutprescreen.com. You could choose how long. You may still get offers, but not the checks. And a warning, they do ask for your Social Security number. The credit bureaus run this site, and the number does prove who you are. Finally, do you give to a charity? That's great, but if it triggers a lot more mail, CharityWatch.org says you can enclose a note with your donation requesting the organization not rent, sell, or exchange your information. You can also ask a charity to limit or stop solicitations. And there's a lot of wasted paper with these offers. Go to abc15.com, click on sections, and let Joe know to get rid of the junk. The Better Business Bureau Let Joe Know volunteer team is solving your consumer problems every day. Need help? Call the team, email me, or like the Let Joe Know Facebook page and tell me about it there. I'm Investigator Joe Ducey. You got a problem? Let me know.